friends Alice, Niko, Finn,
And Niko.
and this is all the ingredients we'll need. So, let's see if anyone will drink it. We are going to be using this and this and this. Then I task you to drink it. Are you brave enough to drink it?
Yes, I am.
At the end of the video, I'm gonna reveal my face.
How will you make potions without a cauldron? You can eat mine. Look at this.
Thank you, little one. I'm going to reveal my hair. I'm revealing my face in 3, 2, 1. It's me, Niko, actually a hacker.
Straight from a mouse's guts pee.
Not like the letter P, but
Ooh. And it's zombie pee. See me?
oh, this is actually pretty bad.
That was so good. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so excited.
This is Demogorgon pee. I'm gonna pour it into all of our potions.
It's the blood of a monster. Too much.
That's good, Finn.
That looks like poop.
Hey Finn, which one do you want?
I want this one.
That's the one I wanted.
Okay,
Good. That's good.
let's do this. Now we pour into the bottle. I think we should get a little
Make sure
more,
you
Alice.
Don't help.
We got some zombie blood in here. We got some
That's pee.
We got some pee, and we got some what was it again? We got some of the
Blood from
blood from a mouse.
spider.
A mouse blood pee. Yeah,
Are you ready to drink this, Finn?
I am. 3, 2, 1.
I want you
Oh, I don't feel so well. I feel like I'm gonna turn into something.
I guess this is a bad potion because Finn turned into something and a monster, and Alice had to go, and also because she was just too scared to drink it.
Another person! I'm gonna make a good one. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna make this one. I'm gonna use that. This is with the guts. Smell it.
It smells like
Bubblegum.
I mean, it smells so good.
Cheese bite. Help me, Niko.
Okay. Do you want me to dump this in?
For a little bit. Not too much.
That's enough. That's way good.
I need to stir it up.
Stirring is the best part of making a potion. Hey Mila, what potion bottle do you want?
Just
This one?
yeah.
Mila made like tiger blood.
Yeah.
Yum. Let's add one more scoop. Now. Ah, you dripped some on me.
Yeah.
That's good. Are you ready to try it, Mila?
Yeah.
Wait, you gotta go.
I'm out of here.
I guess Mila's out of here. Now, I'm the only one left. So, since no one's supposed to ask me what container there is, I guess I will just choose. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna put on my cloak. I'm going to use the yellowish prime. I need some grown-up hope. Thank you. I'm just gonna drink some because it's super filled up. I can do this one all by myself. I did it. Don't you? Oh, this is actually tiger blood. This is real blood. Last ingredient. Okay, let's look there. I'm so scared that I'm just making these noises. This is like grimmest blood. What's happening?
This is a bad person.